associative property of integers. Do you know that we can add 3 integers and we can multiply 3 integers by grouping them in any order, but we cannot do subtraction or divisions by grouping them in any order. This is called associative property of integers. This property teaches us to perform the operations by grouping the numbers with the help of brackets. Let us understand this. We will start with a question. Is addition associative for integers or not? In order to find out, we will add 3 integers. Suppose we need to add -4, -9 and 11. If we make a group of -4 and -9, and their sum will be -13. Now we will add 11 to it. By doing so, we get the result -2. Similarly, if we make a group of -9 and 11, then their sum will be 2. Now when we add -4 to it, then the sum of 3 numbers will be -2. The answer is the same in both cases. That means we can group integers in any order to add them. In general, for any 3 integers a, b, c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Therefore, we can say that integers are associative over addition. Now you might have understood that to find the sum of -4, -9 and 11, we can group them in any order. Can we group them in any order to perform subtraction operation? Will there be any difference in the result? Think for a while. Let me tell you. If we make a group of -4 and -9, then the result of their subtraction will be 5. And now, when we subtract 11 from it, we get the result -6. Similarly, if we make a group of -9 and 11, then the result of their subtraction will be -20. Subtracting -20 from -4 gives us the result 16. The answer is not same in both the cases. What do we understand from this? Think for a while. From this, it is understood that we cannot group the numbers in any order to perform subtraction. In general, for any 3 integers a, b, c, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Therefore, we can say that integers are not associative over subtraction. Now we will discuss about the multiplication of integers, and we will find out whether integers are associative over multiplication. Suppose we need to find the multiplication of -3, 4 and -5. That is, we need to find the product of these numbers. If we make a group of -3 and 4 and find the product, then the result will be 60. Similarly, if we make a group of 4 and -5 and find the product, then the result will also be 60. The answer is same in both the cases. That means we can group integers in any order to multiply them. In general, for any 3 integers a, b, c, a multiplied by b multiplied by c is equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c. Therefore, we can say that integers are associative over multiplication. Now, can you find out whether integers are associative over division? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Suppose we need to find the division of -16, 4 and -2, that is, we need to find the quotient. If we make a group of -16 and 4 and find the result of division, then the quotient will be 2. Similarly, if we make a group of 4 and -2 and find the result of division, then the quotient will be 8. The answer is not same in both the cases. That means we cannot group integers in any order to divide them. In general, for any 3 integers a, b, c, a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. Therefore, we can say that integers are not associative over division. Now you might have understood that integers are associative over addition and multiplication, but not for subtraction and division. Today we have learned associative property of integers. In the next video, we will understand it in a better way with some examples.